Okay guys, so you can see from here I've just input the testimonials from here, and I'm also going to leave a link of this page so you can go and also verify our page. I'm going to go and show the link of the page so you can go and verify this page and see exactly what I've done on this page. So from here you can see right here I've just input, for example, there are different testimonials of people that have used this product from here. I will go to go and also make sure to go and input links on these images, so if somebody click on any of the sites on our landing page, they're going to take them straight back to our offer. So to go, let me just go and input some spaces between these two. Let me just click on this, and you're going to click, for example, on margin right here, for example on the bottom, make some space, and on the top you can also make some space. So it's very easy to go and use this particular website. So for this one, let me just remove this from here. Let me just drag this down, and let me just delete this, and also let me just click on this and go to margin, click on this, and at the top I'm going to drag it down a little. On the bottom I'm going to separate it a little like this, and by the end of this you can also go and input a button. Let me just input another button from here, or you can just go and copy this one. You can just go click on this, duplicate, you can just send it down, and that's going to be the bottom of the page. It's very easy to go and use this website, and this is doing this for absolutely free, so I highly recommend that you can go and use this software right here. So what we're going to do next is we're going to go and input the links to our website, to our affiliate offer. You don't have to go and complicate any of this. You can see, as I've done right here, is very easy. It can go and take you less than 10 minutes to go and create a simple landing page just like this one. So let me just increase, for example, the size of this. Let me see if I can increase the size of this. Alright, and also you're going to make sure to go and click on this. If you click on this icon from here, I don't know if you can see the icon, you're going to see there's a phone icon from here. So this is how it's going to look on mobile, and most of this traffic mostly come from mobile, so you're going to make sure that it's actually looking good on mobile phone. So let me click, for example, on mobile. I can see from here it actually doesn't look very good on mobile phone, so you're going to make sure to go on, for example, let me reduce the size of this on mobile. This is how it's going to look on mobile, and you can see from here it's all choked up. Let me just go and click on this. I'll go back to margin. I'm just going to go and reduce the bottom, so I'm going to make some space. Right here, so let me just see this. So let me click back on the button, and I'm also going to go and go to margin, and the bottom also has to reduce the size. So you get it, guys. So you're just going to make sure to go and keep some space so that it's going to look a lot more presentable when somebody goes to your page from here. So I'm going to go this one, let's go to bottom, just going to go and sell it. I want to make sure to go and separate all of this. So I'm showing you guys this step by step, so that if you're going to be creating a landing page on this website, you're not going to be fidgeting, and you're not going to know how to go and create, or how these different functions work. So that's why I'm showing you guys step by step, so that you can go also follow me along instead of trying to figure this out on your own. You can just learn from what I'm showing you guys in this video. So that's it. It's very easy. Click on this other one too, go to margin on the bottom, just separate them like this, and that's it. Is very easy to go and do. So what we're going to do next is we're going to go and input our links. Since we're done from here, see, there's extra space like this, you can still just delete. For this example, I'm just going to leave this like this. So what we're going to do next is we're going to go to our affiliate marketplace. So we're going to go back to our affiliate area. So this is the Metolin affiliate area. So you can go and get your affiliate link directly from the marketplace, or you can go and get it directly from the affiliate area, and you can go and use this as well, this method, and promote any other affiliate offer. So what we're going to do from here is we're going to make sure to go and input our tracking ID from here. So since we're going to be promoting this offer on Pinterest, Instagram, and using TikTok, we're going to make sure to go and have different tracking links, so that we're going to know where we're getting traffic from, and if we make a sale, we're going to know where exactly we made that sale from. So for this particular landing page, is going to be for Instagram. So I'm just going to go and input my tracking ID. You can see right here, this is my affiliate ID right here. This is my tracking ID. I'm going to go and input, for example, For example, insta sale. So if you make any, for example, sales from Instagram, we're going to know that this traffic is coming from Instagram. Or if you have, or if you get any sale, so you can see from here, this is our tracking ID. So I'm just going to click on copy link. We're going to go back to our editor. We're going to click on our image, and you're going to make sure to go and choose from here, show open URL, and this is where you're going to go input your link. So let me just paste this link right here. Next step, go back to the button. As I show you guys, you're going to make sure to go and click on open URL, not any of this one from here. So click on open URL, paste the link. You can go and leave this right here as open in the same window or open in a new window. It doesn't really matter very much. So you're going to go and click on the image too, click on all of these images, input your link, and that's it. Let me just paste it right here. Very easy, simple method right here. So you can see right here, our landing page is already done, and we're just going to go and promote this offer right here. So let me just paste this, and that's it. So our link is already fully incorporated in our landing page. So let me just click on save changes. So it's very important, make sure to be saving changes from here. So if you want to go and preview this, let's click on preview, and as you can see from here, this is how our landing page is going to look like. It's very simple. Yes, testimonials, and when somebody reaches from here, they're going to read the headline. Most of them are going to click on this link, and they can go and click here to watch our video, or click on this. Any of these links is going to take them straight back to our offer on Clickbank. So that is it. Once you're done from here, just go and click on exit, and that is it. This is going to be the link right here. So we're going to make sure to go and, for example, change this link from here. We're going to go and change this link from here, so that it's going to look something a lot more presentable. So to do that, I'm just going to go back to my account from here, click on settings. So we're going to do from here, just going to go right here. You can see there's a lot of options from here. Going to click on sales funnels. That's not going to be on sales funnels, that's going to be on custom domain. Then right here, go click on custom domains, and you can go and change the domain name that you're going to get right here. So we're just going to click on this, click on edit subdomain, because you're going to have a free subdomain from system.io. So you can go and input, for example, like for example about fitness. You can go and input any type of subdomain from here. Let me write, for example best health, for example. So if I input, for example, best health, and it goes through, my domain is going to be besthealth.system.io. Let me click on save and see if it's available. So this is no longer available. Let me input, for example, 2h, and see. Okay, you can see from here it is available. So if I go back to my website and click right here on my sales funnels and click, for example, on the Metolin funnel, you can see from here it's going to be changed in some few minutes. So for the subdomain, for example, the small link from here, you can just write, for example, Insta or something. Let me write, for example, Insta, because it's going to be going to Instagram. So that's it. You can see it's already changed. Let me click on this, and for example, view funnel step to see our landing page. So let me wait for some few minutes. That's going to actually change from here to the new subdomain that we just created. Alright, so you can see from here in some few seconds it has already changed to our new subdomain that we just created, so that it looks a lot more authentic and also looks good. So you can see from here, so our website link is going to be besthealth.system.io/insta. So there's going to be the link to this particular landing page right here. So you can go and verify it as well and see this exact landing page. So it's going to go to besthealth with 2h.system.io/insta. So let me click on view funnel step, and that's it. It's going to take people straight back to our landing page from here. And you can see from here, if you click on any of this, it's going to take them straight back to right here, Metolin, and that is going to be our affiliate link. So this is very easy to go and do. And what we're going to do next is we're going to undo this as well, and we're going to go and input our own landing pages too, for example for Pinterest and also for TikTok and other networks. So what we're going to do next from here is that to go and do that is actually very easy with system.io. So let me show you what to do. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to sales funnel. So let me show you guys right here. So that's why I prefer system.io because you can go and test a lot of landing pages very easily. So you can see, so to go and create the same landing page to go and promote affiliate offers on Pinterest, instead of me creating an entire landing page new, all you have to do is that I just have to go and click on this. So you can see this stereo icon, you can see duplicate. I can see from here I can just create, for example, the Pinterest funnel right here. So let me have, for example, Pinterest. Let me zoom this. For example, Pinterest Method funnel. Click on duplicate, and all you have to do from here is to go and edit this page and input on link from here. But we're going to go and input our tracking ID going to Instagram. So you can see from here, let me go back right here, let me click on the funnel. I can see from here we're going to go and change this, for example, to Pinterest, for example, to pin, because this is what we're going to be using on Pinterest. And as you guys can see, it's already done. We're going to go and click on edit page. So we're going to click on edit this page from here, and all we're going to do from here is that this is going to still have the Instagram tracking ID. We're going to go back to our affiliate sales page. You can see from here, instead of Insta sale, we're going to input, for example, pin, Pinterest sale, or for example, pin sale. And this is the link we're going to copy right now, because this is going to be the landing page for traffic that is going to be coming from Pinterest. So I'm just going to get and copy. That's it. Go back right here. So this will go back right here to the editor. I'm just going to click from here and just delete this link and input our Pinterest link. And this is, we have already created a second landing page without having to do any extra work. So that's why I like system.io, because you can easily have these options of duplicating funnels without having to go and create any new funnel. So that is it. Click on this, delete, click on the next one, delete, and that's it. So let me just go right here. As you can see from here, delete with an input our Pinterest link, remove the Instagram link, and that is it, guys. If you go into the, for example, the mobile view, you can see from here it's exactly the same thing, and that is just click on save changes, and that is it. If I click on preview, it's our exact landing page, but this time it actually has our Pinterest tracking link from here. So you can see from here we have already done that. So I'm just going to click on exit. So we're going to be using Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok. So what I'm going to do next is to go and also do the same thing for my TikTok account. So I'm just going to go back right here, click on websites, click on sales funnels, and I can just go and click on this and duplicate. I'm just going to write right here, TikTok Method funnel. I'm just click on duplicate, and on a free account you can go and have up to 3 funnels from here. So you can go and have up to 3 funnels on a free account on system.io. So as you can see from here, if I click on this, you can see funnel duplication in progress. Please wait a while we complete this action. So you can go and have up to 3 free funnels on a free system.io account. So as you can see from here, let me reload this and see if our funnel has already been created. You can see from here, TikTok Method funnel has already been created. All we have to do is click on it. We're going to go and edit, for example, our link that we're going to be using on TikTok. We can go in, for example, TikTok, and that is it. Our link is already ready. We're just going to click on edit page, and for this example I'm just going to pause this because I've already shown you guys how to do this. Because I'm just going to go back to our affiliate area, and from here I'm going to edit my tracking ID. Instead of Pinterest, I'm just going to go and input, for example, TikTok, for example TikTok sale. Exactly the same, very easy method. You're also going to make sure to go and use VSL, because VSLs tend to convert a lot better in my own experience. That's it, guys. I'm just going to go and input the links from here. So let me just pause this so that I can go and do this very easy. As I've shown you guys in this video, is very easy to go and do. So I'm just going to end this particular video right here, as I've shown you guys how to create the landing page. In the other videos, I'm going to show you how I'm going to set up my Instagram accounts and all other different accounts. So that's it, guys. So let me just go and take some few minutes and finish this TikTok affiliate page. Alright, guys, so I've just finished editing the TikTok account from here. So our 3 funnels are already live, our 3 landing pages are already live, and it's just waiting for us to go and create our social media accounts and start promoting this and start getting some sales from here. So you can also go and edit the name of this. All of this right here are not very necessary. Click on the view funnel. That's it, our link is already done. So you can also go and take a lot more time to go and create a longer landing page, but most of the time the simple landing pages work just fine. So that's it. So our sales funnels, 3 sales funnels are ready right here, and they also have different tracking IDs so that we're going to know where our traffic is, which media accounts our traffic is coming from, and which of them make the first sale, or which of them is getting most of the traffic, and we're going to know which one to focus on the most. So as you can see, our landing pages are ready, and we're going to go to the next step. In the next videos, I'm going to show you guys the next steps that I'm going to be following, and more of these are going to be public, so you can go and verify and see exactly what I'm doing from here. And if any accounts get banned, and that's going to just be the reality of actually promoting offers for free, and we're going to not give up. We're still going to create new accounts if any account gets banned, and we're going to move up from there until this 30 days challenge, and we're going to hopefully make money by the end of this. So that's it. I'm going to see you in the next video.